Para matapos na agad. Dali, first question, Seth. What is your full name? Lakasan mo. Again, louder. How old are you? Pag birthday mo na, ilang taon ka na? Paano? What is your favorite color? Red? Because? Because it's McQueen. What is your favorite food to eat? Our airport? Airport food daw. Di pa naman doon nakakapunta airport. Hindi, yung favorite mo kainin, Seth. What is your favorite food?
Ha?
No!
Kala ko fried chicken.
Ayaw mo na mag-interview? Oh, what is your favorite food to eat? Rice. What is your favorite fruit? Orange. What is your favorite drink? Water. What is your favorite toy?
The airplane.
Airplane.
Wala ka
Talaga
ng
ba?
airplane.
Ang dami-dami mong airplane. Wala ka naman airplane. Sige na nga. What is your favorite animal? Giraffe. Paano yung sound ng animal? Ay, ng giraffe? I don't know din. What is your favorite show to watch? Yung Blue's Clues na nagmamagic. Okay, if you have superpowers, anong gusto mong superpower? Super Josh.
Super Josh!
What is your favorite bedtime story? Good night boat? Good night bird. Yung sa YouTube. What is your favorite thing to do with mommy? Ha?
Bake.
Ano? What?
To bake.
To
Bake?
bake. Put it here na. Yeah. How about your favorite thing to do with Dada?
To go in there.
To go in there. What is your favorite thing to do with Dada?
To play.
Play what?
With Dada.
Anong game nyo?
For the wife.
Forza Horizon. How about your favorite dance? Paano? Paano yung favorite dance mo? Can you dance? Can you show me? Ganyan. What do you want to be when you grow up?
I was going blanco. I was
Wow!
do salsabida.
Ha?
Saldiw.
Opo,
Salbabida.
salbabida.
Ikot.
Opo.
Salsabida.
Chili.
Yeah, I can see it. Oh, what makes you happy?
I'm going to the salsabida.
I want to go there. Ang laki nun eh. Hindi ka pa pwede eh. Baka tumalsi ka dun sa dagat. What makes you happy? How about when you play? Does that make you happy? When you play with Dada? Ay. How about when you bake with Mommy? Does that make you happy? Yun lang. Yun na yung last question ko. Thank you. Thank you for answering my question. Uy, saan ka pupunta? Let's go. Doon na tayo. Takbo na tayo.
Close na vlog na.
Oh, babay na ikaw sa vlog.
Bye-bye now.
Dito, sa camera.
Bye-bye, vlog.
Look at the camera. Insert your
Bye-bye.